Hello, Jaguars, and welcome to another week at Jefferson, where Jaguar leaders discover ways to use their ideas and hands to change the world. It's time for our weekly announcements for January 25th through January 29th. Our menu for the week is as follows. On Monday, chicken and waffle. Tuesday, vegetable beef soup and grilled cheese sandwich. Wednesday is a virtual schedule. Bus delivery is available for this Wednesday. We will be serving chicken leg or thigh and biscuit. Thursday is a deli sub sandwich, and on Friday we are serving pizza. Students working from home, parents may pick up food each day from 10 a.m. until 10:30 at these four schools: Washington, Roosevelt, Lincoln, and Jefferson Elementary. Parents, there have been some changes to our FAQ sheet for COVID-19 absences, so please familiarize yourself with these changes and that are posted upon this slide. If your child has symptoms of illness, stay home until fever and symptom-free for 24 hours without medication. Report the absence to the school at 378-2270. Discuss with the school nurse if unsure on how to proceed at 378-2272. If symptoms persist and include new cough, difficulty breathing, loss of taste or smell, fever over 100.4, chills, diarrhea, sore throat, headache, or fatigue, consider COVID-19 testing. If your child is tested without known exposure, stay home until you receive test results. Quarantine the entire household until advised of results. Siblings should remain home. Report the absence and notify the school that you are awaiting results. If test results are negative, child may return to school when he or she is fever and symptom-free for 24 hours without medication. If your child tests positive, stay home in isolation for 10 days and until fever and symptom-free for 24 hours without medication. Quarantine the entire household as advised by the health department or contact the school nurse if you have questions. Report the absence to the school. Arrange for pickup of work materials for distance learning. If your child has been in contact with a positive case, not in your household, stay home and begin quarantine, likely 10 days from the time of contact. Report the absence to the school. Arrange for pickup of work materials for distance learning. If you have questions regarding return to school date, contact the school nurse. A negative test does not allow your child to be released from quarantine. If your child has been in contact with a positive case in your household, stay home and begin quarantine for the entire household. This may range from 10 to 20 days, depending on the health department assessment. Report the absence to the school. Arrange for pickup of work materials for distance learning. If you have questions regarding return to school date, contact the school nurse. A negative test does not allow your child to be released from quarantine. Now listen up to a message from Mrs. Statham, Jefferson's wellness teacher. Jaguars, you are doing great with the Kids Heart Challenge. Remember, if you register, you will help your class earn a no-shoe day in PE. The envelopes that have been sent home are due this Friday, January 29th. You can give them to Mrs. Statham on Friday, January 29th. Once again, she will collect those on Friday, January 29th. Thank you for helping kids and using your hands to change the world. Jaguars, you still have time to submit your learning from home photos to Mrs. Chase at jchase@k12k.com. Once again, that's jchase@k12k.com. You never know, you might see your picture again in the 2020-2021 Jefferson Yearbook. It's birthday time at Jefferson, and celebrating a birthday this week on January 25th in 4th grade is Tate C., 5th grade Camilla M. On January 26th in 5th grade, Tyler J., and in 5th grade, Ella T. On January 27th in 3rd grade, Rosalind M. Celebrating a birthday on January 29th in 3rd grade is Gabe L., 5th grade Matthew W., and Mrs. Lewis, our associate principal. And celebrating a birthday on January 31st, the last day of the month, in 4th grade is Chloe J. Happy birthday, dear Jaguars! Happy birthday to you! And now let's celebrate our Jefferson Leaders of the Week. In kindergarten, Cooper G., Isaac C., Andrew T. In 1st grade, Brianna C., David C., Mackenzie F., Nora H. In 2nd grade, Quincy A., Fareed M., Arabella S., and Nora Y. In 3rd grade, Gage C., Caleb M., and Liam U. In 4th grade, Ridley A., Corinne B., Jace D., Griffin T. And in 5th grade, Huntley D., Will K., and Nick P. Congratulations to all of our leaders of the week. And now, Jaguars, join me for some words of wisdom. Did you know there are some 6 billion people living on planet Earth, each person with a different personality, size, shape, and color? No two people are exactly alike. If you think about it, that's true for all the billions of people who have lived in times past. No two alike. It is truly an awesome thing to consider. Now listen to the words of a 19th century American, William Channing. He said every human being is intended to have a character of his own or her own, to be what no other is, and to do what no other can do. Mr. Channing is reminding you that only you can be you. No one else is, was, or ever will be exactly like you. Start noticing how wonderfully different we all are. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Mann, your school counselor. Jaguars, choose to be a difference maker this week. And now you may join your teacher or your family for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.